In this Python programming solution video, we will understand the answer for the assignment type C question number 7 of chapter 2 named Python Revision Tour-2 of CBSE class 12 computer science book by Sumita Arora. Let's have a look at the question first. Define two variables first and second so that first is equal to Jimmy and second is equal to Johnny. Write a short Python code segment that swaps the values assigned to these two variables and prints the results. If you want, you can pause this video here, try to attempt this problem on your own, and then come back to this video to see the solution. Now the solution. First is equal to Jimmy. We take a variable first and assign it the value Jimmy. Second is equal to Johnny. And another variable called second and assign it the value Johnny. Print the values before the swap. First, second. Then we print the current values before we have swapped the value. You might think that you can do this simply by doing first equal to second and second equal to first, but that would give you error because in that the value of first will get changed to second, and when you update second with the value of first, it will actually assign it the value of second only. So we can't do that way. What we would do though is first comma second is equal to second comma first. This is important here as this way the value stored in variable second gets assigned to the variable first and the value stored in variable first gets assigned to the variable second simultaneously. This keeps the thing simple. Print the values after the swap. First, second. Finally, we print the values of both variables after the swap has happened. Now we run the code and we see that the respective values of Jimmy and Johnny have been swapped in both the variables as desired. Thus, we have verified that our code is correct and working. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below. And if possible, we will try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.